Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. I am event ready, but I am super comfortable also. AIIYYQB has given me all I could ask for in a jumpsuit. I love the simple, elegant design and comfortable, flowing, breathable fabric. And just look at that bow. It is so gorgeous. I am 5'5" and 145 pounds, and this medium fit my curvy figure just perfect. It's very comfortable to wear at an all-day event, and it works well with flats or even 3-inch heels. I paired it with a jacket and got so many compliments. And this jumpsuit comes in 10 different colors, and it is amazing to wear. I just love it, and I know you will too. So just get a few. So be ready for your event and don't sacrifice elegance for comfort when you can have both with this beautiful jumpsuit. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.